Alright guys, so I took a look at this a little more carefully today, and definitely the wire that was kind of falling out and melted was the culprit. So I was able to basically this end and this end popped off. There must have been a previous fix on it before, and the electrical tape was just melted, and then the wire on each end where the actual splice was like totally corroded. So I had to end up just snipping off those ends, cutting some new wire, and this wire, I don't know, must be original. It's brittle, so it's kind of a task to cut a fresh end off, but I was able to do a butt connector. Not that pretty of a job. The heat shrink was so-so, but just taped it up at the ends. It's a nice strong connection. Lo and behold, able to put it back, and they have headlights. So before I did this, obviously I disconnected the negative terminal from the battery, but before I had no headlights at all. All 4 lamps are out, and now pull the switch, and you can already see I got 4 headlights, 2 and 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So I think this is pretty common on the deVille. There's probably a lot of GMs in this era. Definitely check your wiring. Looks like there's 3 back here for the headlight dimmer switch. I think there was a power. It looked like there was a ground, obviously. I think the power is the one that went off on me. And it looked like there was a 3rd wire. I don't know if that was directly to the dimmer switch, but I think it's a fairly easy fix. I don't have any expertise in electrical work, but did some car stereos. That's pretty much my expertise in terms of electrical and cars. And if you're able to splice some wires, disconnect the battery, and crimp, you're good to go.